Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how to make rice face pack at home. So this homemade rice face pack is magical face pack for your skin. It makes your skin really bright, glowing, radiant and spotless. It removes all the aging signs like wrinkles, fine lines and fade away all your dark spots, pimples, suntan and evens out your skin complexion and makes your skin really bright, glowing, hydrated and supremely moisturized. Before going into the video, if you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified on my new uploads. So let's see how to prepare this Japanese secret rice face pack at home. So to prepare this face pack, we need 2 tablespoons of rice flour in a clean bowl and then add 2 tablespoons of curd. And lastly, we need 4 tablespoons of milk. Mix all the ingredients really well to make smooth and lump-free paste. After mixing everything really well, your face pack is ready and it will look like this. Apply to your face and neck and leave it for 20 minutes and wash it off with cool water. It has rice, which is an excellent ingredient for your skin. Rice has miraculous anti-aging properties into it and it has been used by Korean Japanese women since many years to make their skin really bright, glowing, flawless and crystal clear. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, it means a lot to me. Subscribe my channel for more such videos. Watch my previous videos. I will leave the link in the description box below. Take care and I see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.